Releasing dopamine.
Hell, Flockwell. Hello. Good day. This Saturday, been chillaxing and racking and cool. With the peeps. Guess who's beside me? Right? There's vein though in my forehead. It's vein though. But anyway, peeps, enough about me. Yeah. Say hi, everyone.
Hello. Oh, you can't remember to look.
But this is the lens.
Oh, hello. I'm so sorry.
It's like, what am I supposed to look? They're about to start streaming. Yeah. The rest of the crew. The one, the other bed being anti-social. It's not even uncle social. You know? But, I'm not cuss. Another person been in the phone the entire day. It's alright. No, I'm actually using it now. No. Why are you calling no name? But be like that. Okay, so I'm going to get my attention. After I ignore me from there. See, I'm showing you my attention. See, so after I ignore me all the time. Yeah. Be a bad shot, bad me up from there. It's alright.
Walk out, black girl. Show them it's get nice. Walk out, black girl. Let them see to your hype. Walk out, black girl. Show them it's get nice. Melanin. Put your black queen with your nice black skin full of melanin. Melanin. African thing with your pretty black skin.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Me and her on Netflix and chill until when the sun come up. Head a rest for me shoulder, me and her can love.
On peeps, yeah, we're going. It's another day. So I'm there with the whole crew. The whole crew. I step out. Yeah, we're there with the whole crew. So far, moms. Me and moms and the crew there. Yeah. So, Maki and Sherry sign us there. Is it? You got to say? So them say, but I don't believe it. They are drinking some Spitfire. Over there.
The Cove.
We are at the Cove, Columbus Cove. But I take off the Columbus, is it? And you need to drop that off it. Cove, the Cove. So right now, we go. The water, yo, this hot not hot today. See the sun? It's very hot. It's very hot. The sun very hot. But yeah, we'll look a nice little spot. We'll find out. And things see there. Yeah. So right now, we'll just go and chill for the day. And go and enjoy ourselves at the Cove. While I drink some Spitfire. You know what I mean? Yeah. You feel the weird vlog world. Vlog girl, me need a girl. Yeah, me need a. I'm tired of thoughting now. The thought life not gonna work no more. I need a woman with a mind. I feel a weird. John was tired. But anyway, vlog world. I'm there.
Hey Prince Jimbo, this is Clevie. Long time the people them know you're from your man. Where have you been?
I have over 900 wives. Where you think I've been?
Zimbu is a wholesome dude, and when I fart, it's only the ghost of food. Me not rude. Ladies, the prince has risen, and zebras are just horses escaped from prison. Come on, miss. I take you to Havana, feed you Cuban banana, Guatemala if you wanna eat a iguana. JT and massive vibes, we have all of the wives in massive tribes. Thrill them, Zimbu skill will thrill, fulfill them. Thrilling still, refill until bad mind can't kill them. Thrill them, Zimbu skill will thrill, fulfill them. Drill them, Zimbu styles are the greatest. Zimbu's new song not good sounding. There's better chance of you seeing a fish drowning. When JT and me come through with the glee, good vibes are massive, bad vibes are passive. We defy laws of physics like white people, reciting dancehall lyrics. When we take a flight, the girls start to fight on the plane. Brothers wonder if their sisters will be seen again. But don't start a crisis. See your sister on plane, do not shout out hi sis. Zimbu lyrics insane, full of herbs and spices, and my fans it always nice.
Girl, I'm here, I'm chilling. And as you can see, yo, down here hot. Alright, so if you come down here, prepare. The sun hot like fire. Yeah, the sun hot like fire. The sun hot like fire. The sun hot like fire. Trust me. It turn up the whole way I sweat. Watch out. Sweat this, you know. Watch it. Sweat this, man. So I put on some suntan lotion. Watch it. Everybody. Boy, yeah, man, vlog, girl. Nah, I mean, you can't stay too long because true. One whole reason we didn't still, but you don't know. Music are playing in the background and thing. So, yeah. I'm going to the water, I go shut up the beach and make you see what we're doing, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yo, vlog girl, I'm in the water with the whole crew. Yeah. We're in the water. Yo, the beach is up. Jesus, the water is so cool, vlog girl. I be loving it. Cheers, Sinus is, cheers to the old people. Maggie Sinus, big up yourself, youth. Yeah. Yeah. Pray to God my watch don't mash up. It's very expensive, but yeah. We're there. Oh, yeah, I saw that. Yeah, and the baby swim. But they said naturally the baby can swim still.
I know about my friend.
Yeah. Over there, vlog girl. Yo, you saw my face black?
Fear start to kick in.
Yo.
Fear start to kick in.
Now just wash off little salt, you know, 2020 salt. Wash off any salt and crosses that is on me. Any woman trying to tie me, Lord, break that spell. Any woman trying to use in food, like Thia and the rest of them want to try to tie me, break it. Any woman want to try to tie me and hold me down, break it. Like so many, break it, Lord. Don't wash off the salt. 2020 crosses, I bind you. Leave me, I bind you. Why?
The food was cheap and it tasted good.
When water, all the way I swim. See we in the water, yeah? By the way, my phone is waterproof, but I'm always afraid to put
then in the ocean and you swim with the fishes.
No, you are coming out right now. Right now, I'm coming out right now. I don't run them, Joe, them I left last year. Yeah. You pull it. Going on an adventure. We're searching. We're on the journey. I don't know. We're going to meet mermaid.
Barnacle boy.
And no, we're not meeting a barnacle boy. Don't listen to Maki. Anyway, peeps. We're there so far. The day are going good. I mean, good, smooth day.
This is the place where them kill people.
Yo, what me said, nobody listen to him here. Because them not going to strike my channel here. Coming in the matter about. You know, some of that bring the black cracks from can't wear. No, sir. Oh, there's a nice vlogger. Watch out. Jano vlogger, I'm not telling a lie still. Yo, I wish me to have a nice little girl I can bring out here, you know what I mean? I miss that feeling there, you know what I mean? mash up. Breeze a blow, so I have to block the microphone, you know what I mean? My meds mash up from the last relationship me dey on, you know what I mean? Me need a girl. That's mine alone. No, I'm borrowing a girl or nothing like that, you see it? But anyway, peeps, we're there. Ooh, ooh. Breezing, blowing. Sorry. I'll be a stone. I'm me alone barefooted. Everybody I walk. Yeah. Now I couldn't see the sea. Yeah. Vlog world is crazy. I have to watch how I walk. Breeze is blowing. It's crazy. The breeze is crazy, vlog world. I have to talk loud. The breeze mad out here. Watch a Superman there. Watch here. Watch a fool there. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, vlog world. Please, when you come that side here, don't follow me and wear barefooted here. Don't come out barefooted here. Make sure you walk with a slippers or a socks. Not even socks. Oh! Make sure you have shoes, slippers or something. Don't come out barefooted. That's the worst thing ever. Them stone are sharp like knife. And me a man a train for step. And them still a stab out my backside. Yeah. But anyway, peeps, we're there. So look out and thing, you know what I mean? Them are posing all the hot girls, them. Oh God. Hey boy, don't jump in on you, life's sweet. Hey boy, yeah. Bamba, me can't go, yo, me can't go with my kid. You mad? No, me can't go way out there, so me can't do it vlog world, my foot. Them things are sharp. All of this was underwater in the vlog world. Yeah, man. All of this was. So we're at the Columbus Cove Beach. That's in St. Anne's. You guys can come and check it out. Yeah, it's pretty cool. This is it. We're out here. Without fear. Well, whole heap of joke though, but yeah. Yeah. It's a nice beach, guys. Columbus Cove. Them need to take off the Columbus though. We not Black Lives Matters. We not depend on Columbus you thing, is it? Yeah man, so whole heap of breeze a blow. And it nice. Yeah. Well we there. Black girl. So yeah. I'm sad. Depressed yeah man. Hey, but we're there though. Hope you guys enjoying the beach. It's very nice so far. Yeah. The vlog world. It's crazy. It's crazy. Right now it's been an epic day. I'm going in the shower to wash off the salt off of me. Know what I mean?
Limited shower today, so me and you can't see.
No, man, I want to stop on them joke up on YouTube here, man. People them please free me here, dog. That boy a McCabe run some weird jokes. The man weird vlog world. The man weird. You put it there, so you put it right to somebody like nah job. What's that man at that side? Sir, you must feel something away for you. Yeah, vlog world. No, what is this vlog world? What is this coming to a wood? I don't like this. A piece of wood. What kind of weird thing that vlog world? Change his pipe. Change his pipe. Let me wash off the salt. All the girls trying to bind me and trying to tie me. I'm buying you. I'm washing off all the salt off of me. Vlog world, I'm washing off all the salt off of me. God remove any girl that trying to tie me through food, text messages, or anything because I'm handsome. I'm buying you. Any girl. I buying every X with XXXR who think I'm making an entanglement like Will Smith and Jenna.
But say guy too because you do.
No, I not meet with no guy, so I don't know the entanglement.
No, but what is this you like? You want to try? You tell
I must want me shoot that. Black girl, I what you talk about? No. Any girl want to try and say I'm in an entanglement, I buying you. And Lucifer.
Look here, a guy might want to try. Just tell
yeah, me I say, Black girl, nobody listen to that girl. Yeah. First time I ever meet her in my life. She just come here. Miss, who are you?
No, Lorenzo, you have to cover all bases. You don't think so?
Yes, I feel so. Any guy trying to like me, let me tell you something.
That's right.
My father, Wobia man, you will dead. No ramp with me.
Alright, look here, so say animal too.
No animal not gonna like me. Me's a madman. No matter ramp with me. Black girl, you know, say I be a things them go out with. Hear me, I say, journey with the boy. I be a trouble them I give me. Alright, Black girl, so today's been a great day. Everybody get ready now. Yeah, we they roll out for left out here now. Yeah. They are put on back shoes and thing, you know. Wash off and beer thing, you know what I mean? It was a nice day. Columbus Cove or whatever they want to call it. Cove. You know what I mean? Or Cove also. Bad spot, don't make it.
Yeah, man, it can go on.
Yeah, it can go on. Food need for little bit
Yeah,
of stay.
if you come for buy food, try bring your own food.
Yeah, bring your own food. The chicken not too bad still, but just bring your own food. The fish kind of expensive, but where you get for the price, I want a little old fish. Me not really too like that, you know what I mean? But it's a good spot, but out here hot. Make sure you bring on the sun lotion and all them things out here hot. Okay? Yeah, no, yeah, but where they do a vlog world? Yeah, we're gonna roll out here now. Me and Maki and the crew. So yeah.
It was a good thing.
Yeah man, it's a good day.
Cool. I mean it got cooler, but it did hot.
Yeah.
And when you talk about hot, you know, it's like you don't know when pot a bubble and all them something there. Yeah.
yeah, out here hot.
Hot.
But a good spot, you see it. First time I come here. Still, but you know, I like the vibe and thing. But anyway, vlog, we're gonna roll out, go on journey the boy. Shoo!
Yeah. Releasing dopamine. Easily, man, I beat them easily.